Tired of wasting time in the kitchen or spending money on takeout? These Amazon kitchen gadgets are here to change that. From space-saving tools and smart cooking helpers to professional-grade appliances, each gadget is designed to make cooking faster, cleaner, and easier, all while saving you money in the long run. This silicone utensil rest with drip pad is the ultimate kitchen helper for anyone tired of messy countertops and constant cleanups. Designed with 4 slots, it neatly holds your spoons, spatulas, and ladles in one place, keeping your space organized and splatter-free while you cook. Its heat-resistant non-slip silicone ensures it stays steady near the stove, and when you're done, simply toss it in the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. Built to last and save both time and paper towels, this small yet mighty gadget pays for itself with every clean, clutter-free meal prep. The Alpha Griller's meat shredder claws turn any barbecue lover into a pitmaster, making it effortless to shred, lift, or handle even the largest cuts of meat. With their heat-resistant, ergonomic design, these bear claws give total control while protecting hands from the heat, perfect for pulled pork, turkey, or chicken. Cleanup takes seconds thanks to their dishwasher-safe and lockable design, keeping storage simple and stress-free. Built to last and impress, these claws save time, reduce mess, and make backyard grilling feel like a professional kitchen experience. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker Steamer is the perfect compact solution for quick, healthy meals without the hassle. In just 20 minutes or less, it cooks fluffy rice, hearty soups, or perfectly steamed veggies. Simply add your ingredients, press a button, and let it do the work. With its keep warm function and non-stick removable pot, cleanup is effortless, and your food stays warm until you're ready to eat. Designed for small spaces and busy lifestyles, this mini cooker saves both time and money by delivering fresh home-cooked meals anywhere from dorms to RVs. The stainless steel swivel potato peeler makes peeling fruits and vegetables faster, smoother, and completely hassle-free. Its dual ultra-sharp blades glide effortlessly along produce, removing only thin layers to minimize waste and maximize every ingredient. Designed with a soft, non-slip ergonomic handle, it ensures comfort and control for both right and left-handed users, even those with arthritis. Durable, dishwasher-safe, and built to last, this peeler saves time, effort, and frustration every time you step into the kitchen. This fresh meat slicer transforms meal prep into a quick, professional experience, slicing up to 18 perfect cuts in a single motion. With 2 adjustable blade sets, it delivers precision whether you're prepping thin slices for hot pot, beef jerky, or sushi. Crafted from premium stainless steel, its razor-sharp blades and suction base ensure clean, stable cuts every time. Compact, easy to clean, and built for long-lasting performance, this slicer saves both time and effort, giving home chefs restaurant-quality results right from their kitchen. The Dash Tasty Crisp electric air fryer oven brings crispy golden perfection to your meals with up to 80% less fat thanks to its advanced air crisp technology. Compact yet powerful, it cooks everything from fries to chicken in minutes. Just set the timer and temperature and let it do the rest. With custom presets, auto shutoff, and a cool touch handle, it's designed for safety, convenience, and effortless use. Perfect for dorms, apartments, or busy kitchens, this sleek mini air fryer saves both time and money while making healthy eating quick, easy, and delicious. The rotary cheese grater makes grating faster, safer, and completely effortless. No more scraped knuckles or wasted time. With its 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it easily shreds, slices, and juliennes everything from cheese and carrots to nuts and cookies. The non-slip suction base keeps it steady while you crank the handle, giving you 18 times faster results than grating by hand. Designed for safety, convenience, and easy cleanup, this multifunctional grater saves both time and effort, while keeping your kitchen neat and your meals perfectly prepped. Kitchen Executive Series Milk Frother Wand transforms ordinary coffee into a barista-style masterpiece in just seconds. With its powerful motor and sleek ultra stand, it whips up rich, velvety froth for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos, all from the comfort of home. Designed for effortless use and quick cleaning, simply rinse the whisk under hot water and it's ready for your next cup. Elegant, durable, and compact, this frother saves time, money, and cafe trips, giving every coffee lover that perfect creamy finish every morning. The Navetra bread maker brings bakery-quality bread right to your kitchen with 15 automatic programs and a massive 3.3-pound capacity that can feed the whole family. Its dual 360-degree heaters and dual kneading paddles ensure every loaf is evenly baked, soft, and perfectly golden with minimal effort. Featuring a non-stick ceramic pan, auto nut dispenser, and 15-hour delay timer, it delivers fresh bread exactly when you want it without the mess or guesswork. With this smart bread maker, you save time, money, and countless bakery runs, all while filling your home with the smell of warm, freshly baked perfection. This electric water pump for 5-gallon bottles makes staying hydrated effortless and mess-free with just a single press of a button. Its powerful 4-watt motor pumps a full liter of water in under a minute, delivering smooth, fast flow without manual effort. Featuring food-grade materials and a rechargeable design, it lasts through 4 to 6 large bottles on one charge, saving both time and money on disposable pumps. Compact, safe, and easy to install, this smart dispenser turns any water jug into a convenient touch-button hydration station. The 3-tier serving tray set turns any table into an elegant display, perfect for showcasing desserts, fruits, or appetizers in one compact, eye-catching setup. Crafted from premium, BPA-free melamine, it offers the beauty of ceramic with the durability to resist shattering, and cleanup is a breeze with its smooth, dishwasher-safe surface. The stackable, sturdy design saves space when stored yet stands strong under generous servings. Ideal for parties, holidays, or daily use, this versatile tray set helps you serve more, clean less, and host effortlessly, saving both time and stress at every event. Professional-grade X5 blender delivers power, precision, and versatility, perfect for everything from smoothies to soups and nut butters. With 10 smart blending programs and variable speed control, it ensures consistent restaurant-quality results every time. Its self-cleaning mode and durable 48-ounce container make prep and cleanup effortless, saving both time and energy in the kitchen. Backed by a 10-year full warranty, this powerhouse blender is built to last, helping you create fresh, healthy meals and drinks without the daily hassle or mess.